So, our honourable members has raised on the issue of fee structure of certain government and government-aided schools. Yes, sir. So this is an issue that many of my parents, many students has also come and met me and discussed on this issue. But sir, I want to assure you, sir, this is to assess all this and to recommend and to study all this development and scenario. Government of Meghalaya has constituted a Meghalaya State Education Commission, and they are studying of all this matter. So I want to assure you, sir, it's not only the school level. There are various institutions, be at a higher education institutions, at the college and the universities and the schools level. We see the disparity and the difference and the variety of fees structure in the states. So I want to assure you the point suggested of the honorable members has been noted, and certainly the education department and the government will examine, and we will form the committee to study on this matter too, and we are waiting for the education commission suggestion and the recommendation on this too. However, sir, I want to assure you once again that education department will certainly examine the matter on the fee structure of different schools, especially government-aided, government grant schools. So with this few clarification, I would like to thank honorable members for raising this issue and for the concern of the education scenario of the state, sir. So with this few submission, I resume my seat.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center